In this video, we'll explain how the 2019 Subaru Ascent's first, second, and third row seats can be adjusted for a variety of versatile seating and storage arrangements. The third row seats can be folded flat for more storage capability. First, store the seatbelt in the holder and lower the headrests. Then pull up on the straps located next to the headrests and fold the seats down. To return the seats to their original position, pull up on the straps located on the seat backs and raise the seats. To adjust the seats for better comfort, pull up on the straps located beside the headrest. The child seat latches are located on the back of the seats and can be accessed from the cargo area. The driver's side seat also features child seat anchors between the seat back and the cushion. To gain access to the third row seats, pull upward on the levers located on the window sides of the second row seats and pull the seat forward. To adjust for comfort, pull the same lever up and move the seat back forward and backward. To adjust for legroom, pull the lever under the seat upward and slide the seat to the desired position. You can fold the second row seats flat by first storing the armrest and seatbelt buckle, and then lowering the headrest. Tilt the seat back forward by pulling lever 1. Then pull lever 2 to unlock the seat back and fold the seat down. The child seat latches are located on the back of the seats, and anchor points are located on each of the outboard seats. To operate the heated seat function, click the switch located on the center console in between the front row seats. To extend the front driver's seat thigh extender, lift up on the lever located underneath. Pull the extension out to the desired position and release the lever to lock it. To operate the heated seats for the first row, operate the switches found on the dashboard. Both heating and ventilating functionality are available when equipped. The vehicle also offers a heated steering wheel, which can be operated via a switch located at the 4 o'clock position on the wheel. To turn on the heated wheel, pull the switch toward you. It will remain on for 30 minutes before automatically turning off. The 2019 Subaru Ascent offers true family versatility with flexible functionality on the first, second, and third row seats.